Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Is another tutorial for you guys. So guys, today I decided to make this simple DIY gele for you guys. This gele can match any outfit, be it traditional wears or English wears, and it's very simple to achieve. If you are new to this channel, you are so welcome. Please remember to subscribe. My old subs, thank you so much. I love you guys. So to start up with this gele, you just have to plait like 3 steps at the front. The gele is 50-50 ratio. Both sides of the gele are equal. That is what I mean. So guys, if you are using the gele that the front and back is the same, you don't need to bother yourself on this stage. You can just go with any side. So to start with, just form your pleats at the beginning. After that, you tie the gele at the back. After tying it at the back, the next thing you will do is to come up with one side of the gele. Just form your pleats. Form more pleats on top of the ones that you have formed already. As you can see on the screen. So when you are done forming your pleats, the next thing you will do is to hold the end of the side that you form the pleats. Then you are coming up with the second part of the gele. Then you just have to use this second part to go around the one you are holding. Use it kind of to tight it. Tie it very well. When you do that, you notice that it's very strong, it's very firm. So when you do so, the beginning of the one that you used to tie it, you just take it backward and insert it at the back of your gele. You don't need pins for this gele, but if you have pins, you can use it as well. So the next stage is for you to open up the gele. The side that you form your pleats on, just open it. This gele is very simple, and the gele I used for this is very soft. I did a two different tutorial on this gele. One I used soft gele, the second one I used the hard pepper gele. Both of them are pepper geles. So this is the back of the gele. You don't need much arrangements. This gele suits all outfits. You can rock it anywhere. You can as well tie this gele with ashoke. If there is anything you don't understand about this gele, just drop a comment for me and I will reply. So guys, after this gele, I did another tutorial. In case you didn't get what I did, this second gele, I used the hard pepper gele. For you to know that you can as well tie it with your hard gele. So guys, but this time around, The back of my gele, the second gele, is open. In case if you have like weave-ons or you braided your hair. So guys, remember to support your girl. Share this video. Give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment for me. I need to hear what you think about this gele. So let me allow you to enjoy the rest of this tutorial.